Let's take a quick look at what you'll be doing today. Today you are multiplying two digits by one digit, and hopefully you already watched the previous video on how to do that, but we'll walk through the steps again. I also wanted to show you that on this assignment, you have the ability to draw and edit on your screen. So last week I had you take a picture of your work. This week I want you drawing on the screen so you can get those points for doing your work. Reminder too, if you do not show your work on these slides, you will lose points for each of those slides. So show your work. So I have steps here to help you. So they show you what to do in order. So let's look up here. We have trash. This will delete everything you've drawn. So for example, I can choose a color and say I choose purple and I decide to change the size of my cursor. Okay. If I want to get rid of it, I can say yes, clear the image, and it'll get rid of everything. Be careful about using that because if you clear everything and there's nothing for me to grade, then I can't give you a grade and you won't get points for that. Okay, so for example, say I do something and I mess up, I can undo it. Oh, but what if I wanted that back? I can redo it. Okay, I'm going to get rid of that. And now you can get closer if you'd like to get closer. You can get further away if you need to. Just make sure you're seeing your screen. I'm going to I'll work with purple, okay? And I'm going to follow the directions and follow the steps to complete this slide. So it says step 1, 6 times 3. So it's telling me to multiply from the ones place on the bottom to the ones place on top. 6 times 3 I know is 18. It says put a 1 in the tens column, so that means carry your 1, and an 8 in the ones columns. I put my 8 in the ones on the bottom, and I carried my 1 to the tens. Remember, this means plus 1 when I multiply next. Now it says step 2, 6 times 2 equals 12. Oop, that's a mess up. Undo. 6 times 2 equals 12. And I can't forget to add 1. Plus 1 is 13. And I make sure I write that correctly. 1 in the hundreds, 3 in the tens, and 8 in the ones. So my answer would be 138. I now have my answer. And if I want to check my answer, you do need to put these in. It says type your answer from the last slide to see if you got it correct. If it's correct, it will turn green and there will be a check mark next to it. So our answer was 138, so I'm going to put in 138. And sure enough, it turned green. I got a check mark. I know it is right. Please stop turning things in where you're checking your work and you didn't get it right. Keep trying, ask questions, meet with us during office hours, ask your parents, ask an older sibling, ask someone that can help you. We are available to help. You can email us at any time, but if you're confused, please ask for help. Okay, so you'll do this on each of these practice problems. Some will give you the step-by-steps, and by the end, you'll be doing it on your own. Good luck!